Hey guys, Ken with Family Handyman. You know, there are lots of things on the internet. Some of them you have to pay for, some of them are free. Here are a few things that you can find online for free that you should take advantage of. First up, you've probably heard of this one, we have Craigslist. If you're looking for anything from furniture to moving supplies or literally anything else, you can find many free things with Craigslist. If you're looking to save money, you're probably not going to want to spend money on a financial advisor. That's why you can use Mint. It's a totally free website. You can manage your finances, you can keep track of your credit score, and you can create budgets. Before you buy a pricey ebook, head to Project Gutenberg. They have many classics all for free, from Frankenstein to Huckleberry Finn. If you prefer to listen to your literature, head to Librivox.org. They have thousands of audiobooks recorded by well-spoken volunteers, all for free.
The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain, Chapter 2.
If you're looking for free coupons, head to RetailMeNot.com. They have free coupons from over 50,000 retailers, and they highlight deals every week. If you're looking for free college education, you can head to ClassCentral.com, where they have thousands of free classes from Harvard, Stanford, and MIT. You can also head to Khan Academy, where they have free video lectures on thousands of subjects. If you can't find anything to watch on Netflix, head over to Documentary Storm or Documentary Heaven, where you can watch documentaries that range from genres mystery to even mockumentary. Nobody likes taxes, and nobody likes paying to have their taxes done. If you make under $66,000 a year, you can head over to the IRS's free file, where you can file your taxes for free, or you can head over to a site like TaxSlayer, which deducts the cost of filing your taxes right on your return, which basically makes it free. If you don't want to create an account for a website, try BugMeNot.com. It's a handy website that shares thousands of pre-created login credentials when all you want to do is get the content from the website. Unfortunately, it does not work on Amazon or YouTube. If you're looking for free therapy, you can head over to 7cups.com. They will connect you with an active listener for free, completely confidential therapy. You can choose your active listener based on location or a life experience, or you can just let the website assign one to you. Studies show that a little background noise can boost creativity and focus, but it's a little annoying to head on down to your coffee shop just for the ambience. That's why you can head to websites like Noisely, and you can choose whatever background noise you want to listen to and regain your focus. If you want to add some of that Photoshop touch to your family photos, but don't want to spend money on that pricey Adobe software, you can head to free photo editing websites like GIMP.org, Pixlr, or Paint.net. If you want to view a web page but you don't want to sign up and be bothered by their daily marketing emails, you can head over to 10-Minute Mail and get a free one-time disposable email address. 10 minutes after you log into the website, the email will vanish forever. Grammarly is a free extension that you can download to your browser, and it double checks your spelling and grammar in emails and on social media posts, so you can continue to make sure that you do not make any mistakes. If you're sick of paying for Apple Music or iTunes, there are a couple free options that you can choose from. You can do Pandora, or you can also do Spotify if you don't have a premium account, but if you want more of a radio station vibe, you can choose iHeartRadio. So those are just a few free things that you can find online. Check them out, find out which ones you like best. For more money-saving tips like this, head to FamilyHandyman.com.